Alright, mate. How's it going? Is it going okay? Alright, mate. That's it. Yeah, I just had to sort the audio out. What it was basically, there was a thing on the actual volume control on the PC. It's something to do with the wave. Hang on, that's better. That's just about perfect. Yeah. If I set the wave too high, it's a bit distorted. But if I set it too low, it can't really hear my voice, rather. So yeah. So how's it going, mate? Is it going okay? Buzzing in the next reality. Yeah, anyway, how you doing? You doing alright and shit and everything, mate? Yeah, so basically the audio wasn't anything to do with the actual camcorder. It was just the actual settings on my PC itself. I just had to adjust to the wave level underneath the actual volume control on the PC set. Yeah, I wondered why it wasn't recording earlier, but I actually had it in tape playback mode as opposed to have it in tape recording mode. I just had to turn the little dial on the side slightly to sort it out.